Hey guys, today we will be doing a polygel set. It's gonna be a short set today. Um, I started out squeezing with the polygel onto the tip of the form. These are all gonna be Model 1 products. So I'm using their apricot color. When I spread it out, I usually just spread it out. I start from the top where the cuticle is supposed to be, and then I go down. And when you use Model 1 products, they tend to stick more. So I messed up on the first try, as you can see. Um, yeah, and make sure you apply their polygel base coat on first before you put your tip on. If not, then your polygel will not stick to your natural nails. So prep your nails and then apply base coat and then apply polygel. So I kind of spread. If you want to brush the polygel down, make sure your brush is full of alcohol or the slip solution that they give you. And you can also use like the patting motion. That also works. Usually whenever I do this, I pat first and then brush all the brushes smooth, and then make sure your gel before you apply on your natural nail. Make sure your gel is dry of that slip solution. See, as you can see, I'm patting it on first, and then at the tip, I will usually uh brush it down, and then put it on. And one thing about this is you usually put more on the where the cuticle area is, so you can build that arc or arc, whatever, and then you can push it on your natural nail easier, and then whatever product comes out on the tip, as you like this part right here, I don't know how, but that was a hard gel, so I have to take it out. It comes out from the tube itself, so I don't know what happened. But usually their product is pretty okay. Yeah. So I squeeze some more on, and I pat it out. So whenever I apply this, I apply it like near the cuticle, not on the cuticle. So near, really not too close to the cuticle either, because whenever I push down the tip towards my nail, I wanted that cuticle area to kind of come up and out from the form and stick near the cuticle. So whenever I e-file it out, it can give my cuticle area some product, so it won't be on my cuticle, if I'm making sense. I don't know, my camera, my recording sucks, so maybe, I don't know if I caught one of it whenever I applied on my nail. I think I was just trying to get something out of that sticky product. And then wipe my brush off clean. Right here. Yeah. So there it is. I did not apply it straight to the cuticle. Gotta push it on. Don't do this because it will yeah, detach from your natural nail. And then I just put it in a lamp. So yeah, right here I think I didn't have enough on my cuticle area, so I just put some more on and smooth it out. And here's where I'm filing it. I had to file the bottom because usually when you do this, your the bottom part of your nail is very thick, and to your like it gets stuck inside your natural nail basically, and it's very uncomfortable. So yeah, I use a medium filing bit for this. I don't have a cone shape, so I'm just using whatever I have. Just kind of I, um go with the curve of your natural nail. So that's what I'm doing with this bit. And then after that, I will use a smooth, a very fine, smooth nail bit with the safety on, because this is basically gel, like hard gel. So it if you use a coarse or a medium bit, it will file too much off. So what you just really want to do is just kind of smooth out some of the imperfections, and it's really fast. Basically, it's a because it's gel, it's not acrylic. Acrylic takes a little more time to file it off, but yeah. Oh yeah, and then whenever you take the forms off, your nail will be smooth anyway, so you don't really have to do anything. All I did was use the smooth bit to go around my cuticles, as you can see, because whenever I did it, I purposely push it down, put more on the cuticle spot, so whenever I push down the form, the excess will come out on the cuticle and not on top of the cuticle, if you know what I'm saying. And then I just file it down, and then it will go flush in with the natural nail. So yeah, with a smooth bit, guys. Smooth, fine bit. Smooth out your nails. But yeah, after that, I just make sure my sidewalls are good, and my filing is good, my shaping is good, and then that was really it. That's what I just did. But this is pretty easy if you want to do your nails at home and you're not into like acrylic and liquids and stuff like that. This is pretty easy. And then I found out that if you use 100% acetone to actually shape out the polygel onto the form is really easier. So yeah, just a little tip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.